In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view. If the newer Yahoo Mail layout feels a bit busy or slow on your device, switching to the classic or basic view can make everything simpler and faster. The steps are short, but I'll walk you through them clearly and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your web browser and signing in. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right corner for the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Click that to open the quick settings panel. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see the gear right away, try maximizing your window or closing any side panels so the icon appears. In the panel that slides out, glance toward the bottom area. You'll see either a three dots menu or a link labeled More Settings. That's what you want. Click it to open the full settings page. Depending on your version or screen size, the three dots may be stacked vertically and may simply say More Settings when you hover. If the panel scrolls, make sure you scroll all the way down so you don't miss it. Now that you're in the main settings area, look for the option that says Switch to Basic Mail or Switch to Classic Mail. The exact wording can vary slightly, and it's often located at the bottom of the page or along the side panel. If you don't see it immediately, scroll to the bottom of the settings view. It's easy to overlook because it's not as prominent as the other options. Once you find it, click it. After you click the switch option, a small pop-up will appear asking for feedback on why you're moving back to classic mode. You can select a reason if you'd like, or simply continue. The feedback helps Yahoo understand user preferences, but it won't affect your ability to switch. Confirm your choice when prompted. You'll be taken back to your inbox in the basic view. You'll notice a cleaner, more streamlined layout with a straightforward message list and folders on the left. This mode focuses on speed and simplicity, so some visual effects, themes, or advanced features may be reduced or hidden. Your messages, folders, search, and attachments still work as expected. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to refresh. Later, if you decide you prefer the newer interface, you can return to settings and look for the option to switch back to the full version the same way. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the classic Yahoo Mail experience.